Today we're at the Fairfield Marriott in Las Vegas, Nevada. Tile in the bathroom. Toilet in a little cubby. Shower tub combo. Carpet is something that I hate most in the world, but microwave and a coffee maker and a little fridge. Then this couch makes out into a bed. This is what the couch looks like with the bed pulled out. Nice little sitting area with the desk, a TV out here. And then another TV in here, some more drawers. There's the safe, quite a large closet. Ironing board. Full-length mirror. Two, it looks like fulls, but they might be queens. And here's the view from the window. Straight down to the pool. And we are right by the Raiders football stadium. Okay, here's the pool area. The pool goes up to 5 feet. Oh wow, helicopter! There is a hot tub. It's quite a large hot tub. It's all outdoor.
5 feet, that's easy.
It's not huge, but it's fine. There are bathrooms out here and showers and drinking fountains.
Like 4 feet, I can with my head up. But then I can with my head up. I forgot.
Here's the fitness center. Okay, fitness center. There's a nice room in here with weights and some yoga pads. Yoga, what do you call those? It's a good selection of weights, and this is cool. I like that. There's a good number of treadmills, some ellipticals, and even a bike. So, not bad. This is the grab-and-go breakfast area. This is like the coffee bar. And then this is where you're going to get warm food. Sorry. And over here, there are plates like there's oatmeal,